Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of Poshan Bhi Padhai Bhi? 1. It is an initiative of the Ministry of Women and Child Development. 2. It aims to integrate nutrition with cognitive development in early childhood. 3. It focuses only on providing midday meals to school children. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statement 1 is correct. The program, Poshan Bhi Padhai Bhi, was launched by the Ministry of Women and Child Development to strengthen early childhood care and education, ECI, within the ICDS framework. Statement 2 is incorrect. The initiative recognizes that nutrition and learning go hand in hand. It promotes not only nutritional care but also play-based and activity-based learning to ensure holistic development in the crucial first 1,000 days of life. Statement 3 is incorrect. The scheme is not restricted to school meals, instead, it focuses on preschool children in Anganwadis. Its scope is much broader, combining nutrition, health, and cognitive stimulation rather than limiting itself to food provision. Consider the following with reference to Article 74 of the Constitution of India. 1. The President shall act according to the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. 2. The advice tendered by ministers is binding on the President. 3. The Council of Ministers is responsible to the Rajya Sabha. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer B. 1 and 2 only. Statement 1 is correct. Article 74, 1 of the Constitution mandates that the President acts on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister at its head in exercising executive powers. Statement 2 is correct. Article 74, 1 also makes it clear that the advice of the Council of Ministers is binding on the President, except in specific discretionary cases such as returning a bill for reconsideration or certain powers under Article 111. Statement 3 is incorrect. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha, the lower house, not the Rajya Sabha, as per Article 70.